Hello children, today in grammar we will learn about adverbs. Now what is adverb? A word that modifies a verb, adjective or an adverbs in any sentence. What does modify means here? It means it adds or change the meaning of verb, adjective or adverb in any sentence. Now let us understand each of three modification with the help of examples. There are four ways in which adverb modifies or describes the action. First, how is the action performed? Second, where is the action performed? Third, when is the action performed? And fourth, how often or frequent the action is performed that we are talking about. Now, let's see examples of each. Firstly, we will see the adverb that describes how an action is performed. The sun is shining brightly. Here it is identified that the sun is shining. But how is it shining? It is shining brightly. So, a word brightly describes the manner in which the sun is shining. Hence, word brightly is adverb. Let's see one more example. The clouds are thundering loudly. Here we are able to know that clouds are thundering and loudly is adverb. It describes manner in which action is performed. So these words are also known as adverb of manner. Now let's see the next way in which we can describe any action. Where an action occurred. The rabbit is sitting behind the eggs. Here we come to know about the place where the rabbit is sitting. Okay, means it describes where the rabbit is sitting. So behind is adverb. One more example. The cookies are kept inside the jar. Here we come to know about the place where the cookies are kept. So here word inside is adverb. These adverbs describes the place. Okay, so they are known as adverb of place. Let's see one more way in which we can describe an action. When exactly the action happened. Test will be held tomorrow. Here we come to know test will be held. But when? Tomorrow. So here word tomorrow is adverb. Let's see one more example. My father came home early. Here early is adverb. This adverb describes when action happens. Okay children. So these adverb is also called as adverb of time. Now let's see the fourth way which describes the action. That is how often or frequent action is happening. I sometimes cook food. Here he or she cooks food. But how often or frequent? Sometimes. So word sometimes is adverb. Let's see one more example. Neil never drinks orange juice. Here never word describes that he never drinks orange juice and thus telling us the frequency of his drinking orange juice. Never is adverb here. These adverbs describes frequency of action. So these are called adverb of frequency. Now we have seen example of adverb which are describing a verb or any action. Let's look into the adverb that describes adjective.
He is very happy today. Now here, which word is adjective? Happy. And what is the intensity of his happiness? Very. So, very is an adverb describing the adjective happy. Sia wore bright colored dress in a party. Here, what is describing her dress? Color. Okay, and what is the intensity of the color? Brightly. So, brightly is adverb. These adverbs describes an adjective. Okay.
Now let's understand adverb describing another adverb. Okay children, listen carefully. The dancer moves so gracefully. Here the word gracefully is adverb, but it is described by using another adverb word so. Thus so is another adverb. Okay, so here we will underline so. Now let's see one more example. The scientist quite easily solved the problem. Here word easily is adverb, but quite is describing how easily the scientist has solved the problem. So quite is another adverb. Okay. So we will underline quite. Children, these were basic adverbs and I hope you all might have understood it nicely. Thank you.